Now you will hear a short conversation about winter clothes. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Wow, it's really cold outside today, Tom. Look, it's snowing.
Yeah, it is. Are you sure you're warm enough, Lily? You only have a light jacket on.
Oh, you're right. I forgot how cold it gets. I thought it would be sunny. What should I wear?
You definitely need your big winter jacket and a warm hat for sure. Your ears will get very cold.
Good idea. What about my hands? I really want to make a snowman.
Then you need your gloves. Don't forget your warm scarf for your neck and your waterproof boots for your feet.
Okay, so big jacket, hat, gloves, scarf, and boots. That's a lot of clothes.
But you'll be super warm, and then we can play outside for a long time.
You're right. Thanks for helping me, Tom. I'll go get ready now.
What is the conversation mainly about? According to the conversation, what does Lily want to do that requires gloves? Now you will hear a short conversation about class awards. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi, Mark. Guess what?
Hi, Sarah. What happened? You look happy.
I got the Star of the Week award.
Wow, that's great. Congratulations. What is it for?
It's for helping others. Mrs. Davis said I helped David with his math homework yesterday.
Oh, I remember that. You helped him understand the problem.
Yes, and I also helped Emily find her missing pencil case this morning.
That's awesome. You deserve it. So what do you get with the award?
I get to choose a book from the class library and have my picture on the bulletin board for a whole week.
That's really cool. I hope I can get it next time.
You can. Just keep helping your friends.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why did Sarah receive the Star of the Week award? Now you will hear a short lecture about flamingos. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting bird, the flamingo. Have you ever wondered why flamingos are pink? It's a great question because they are not born pink. Young flamingos are actually white or grey. So what makes them turn pink? The answer is their food. Flamingos eat tiny plants and animals found in water, like small shrimp and algae. These foods have natural red and orange colours in them. When flamingos eat these coloured foods, the colours go into their feathers. Over time, their feathers slowly change from white to pink. So if a flamingo doesn't eat these specific foods, it won't be pink. It will stay a light colour. It's all thanks to its diet. The food they eat makes them pink.
What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, what makes flamingos turn pink? Now you will hear a short lecture about the solar system. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something amazing, our solar system. Our solar system is made of the sun and everything that orbits around it. we have 8 planets that travel around the Sun. First, there's Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, so it's very hot. Next is Venus, which is also very hot. Then comes Earth, our home. Earth is special because it has water and air, which allows us to live here. After Earth, we have Mars, which people call the red planet because its surface looks red. Then come the big gas giants, Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system, and Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings that you can sometimes see with a telescope. Finally, we have Uranus and Neptune, which are very far from the Sun and are very cold. So, remember, we have 8 planets, and they all travel around the Sun. It's a big and wonderful place out there.
What is the talk mainly about? Why do people call Mars the red planet?